Welcome! Today, you'll practice useful English for meetings, managers, colleagues, and work delays. What's the main issue here?
The main issue is the timing. We need to make a decision soon.
What are the next steps?
The next step is to confirm the details and decide who will follow up.
What did we agree on?
We agreed to review the information and come back with an update.
What needs more discussion?
The timeline needs more discussion because it affects a few people.
How should we move forward?
We should keep it simple and focus on the most practical option.
How are you going with this task?
I'm making progress. I just need to check a few details before I finish.
What support do you need?
I might need some clarification on the priority and the deadline.
What's blocking you at the moment?
I'm waiting on some information before I can move forward.
How confident are you with this?
I'm fairly confident, but I'd like to double-check one part.
What would help you finish this faster?
Clearer instructions would help me finish it faster and avoid rework.
How's your day going at work?
It's been pretty busy, but I'm getting through it.
What are you working on today?
I'm working on a few tasks that need to be finished this week.
How's your workload looking?
It's manageable, but I've got a few things to keep an eye on.
What did you think of the meeting?
It was useful, but it probably could have been a bit shorter.
How are you finding the new process?
It's okay so far. I'm still getting used to it.
What caused the delay?
The delay happened because we were waiting for some extra information.
Why is this taking longer than expected?
It's taking longer because there are a few details we need to check carefully.
How much longer will it take?
It should take a little longer, but I'm trying to finish it as soon as possible.
What can we do to speed this up?
We can focus on the urgent parts first and handle the rest later.
What's the update on the delay?
The delay is still there, but we've made some progress today.
Well done! Review this lesson again to build confidence at work.